All right, good morning from Oklahoma. You know, two of my passions, and especially during the winter time, is to dabble with Bluetooth speakers and solar. And I've built so many of these ammo can speakers. And the number one problem I usually have with these is getting the bass out effectively and tuning the port and just getting the right combination where everything's playing well together. And I've made big ones over here, Hercules, medium-sized ones. I even built a 15-inch roll-around subwoofer over here, and this is the one I wanted to show you this morning, the modifications I did to it. Solar's doing great, getting about 35 kilowatt hours of power coming in. So in the other video on YouTube that I did, I had 4 NVX coaxials in this build, and wasn't quite getting the sound and the low bass that I wanted. So I popped in these Neo Magnet Dayton Audio 4-inch woofers, and they're not bad. They just have a really, the mids and highs, you know, upper frequencies just suck on these things. They do okay with bass, kind of, sort of, but this doesn't have a really pure sound. So I went with a Dayton Audio dedicated 4-inch woofer with big heavy-duty magnets and some black grills, and the sound is just out of this world. So much better low bass, buttery, creamy sounding, just the sound that I wanted to get. Nice and warm, pleasant sounding, lifelike, smooth. This is beautiful. So I still had the 2 NVX 4-inch coaxials up top, and now I've got the 4-inch Dayton Audio woofers on the bottom, and I'll open this up and I'll show you here in a second. But this little guy is a phenomenal sounding little amplifier. I got a 100-watt Nobsound Bluetooth amplifier in there. It's got the light over here on the side, switchable. You just turn the light on right here for emergencies, whatever. Charge your phone with it right there. Main power switch right there. Let's open this dog up and I'll show you the good stuff. Bluetooth antenna. This, of course, is a DeWalt powered, DeWalt battery right here, 20 volt, which is the correct voltage for this guy, which is the same voltage as the AC adapter. So you can charge the DeWalt battery with the AC to DC adapter. Okay, there's the new 4-inch Dayton Audio woofers, and these things are massive magnets for a little 4-inch tune port. I don't know what the tuning is, probably about 45 hertz on the cabinet tuning. These are the NVX coaxials, which have a great sound, especially the high end. And you put this all together. I got it wired for 2 ohms per channel. And the 2 ohm load on the amplifier is no big deal. This thing will play 2 ohm loads all day long and loud. So there you have it. Great sounding little jam box. I love this because of the portability. It's probably about, 13, 14 pounds, if that, depending on what battery you put in it. But it really, really does good with low bass now. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this inspires you with, if you do similar stuff. As you remember, I've got that DeWalt 300 watt right there. It's just, will punish you. I mean, that's just crazy power. Got a little one over there I made with 2 NVX 4-inch coaxials. Sounds great. Big old Hercules over here with about 400 watts per channel, for like concert level stuff. Big old 15-inch subwoofer I made down there. And of course all my other builds. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy the video and just showing you what I do to make great sound, do-it-yourself style. See ya.